Okay, children, we completed exercise 4.1. Going ahead, how to solve an equation. So let's consider an equation first and foremost. Like for example, this is an equation. Okay, this is an equation. Suppose. Got it? So how to solve an equation? Very simple. Here though it is very easy because if you solve here, this is known as LHS, this is known as RHS. If we solve LHS, we are going to get 8 minus 1, that is 7, and RHS 4 plus 3, which is 7 again. So we see that LHS is equal to RHS. That means there is equality in the equation, so this is an equation. Got it? This is how we solve the equation. That is, we solve the LHS, then we solve the RHS. Okay. Now here there is no variable. Let's take an example of a variable. Let's use a variable. Suppose this is an equation. Okay. So if we solve the LHS and RHS, they should be equal. Got it? They should be equal. So this becomes an equation. So like here first we need to know the value of x. For that, this 4 is transposed that side. So that is, we subtract 4 on both sides. 2x plus 4 minus 4, 10 minus 4, which gives us 2x plus 0, 6. Now we need to remove this 2. So if we divide both sides by 2, so 2x upon 2 is equal to 6 upon 2. That is, x is equal to 3. So when you put the value of 3 here, okay, the LHS should be equal to RHS. This is an equation and this is how we solve an equation. Like, okay, so LHS is always equal to RHS in an equation, as I said. So if in LHS we add any number, we need to add the same number to the RHS. Okay, this is the property. If we add any number, there are 4 important properties. For an equality to hold in an equation. Okay, the first one, if we add any number to LHS, we need to add it to RHS also. So like for example, we used an equation before, that is 8 minus 1 is equal to 4 plus 3. So if you are adding any number to the LHS, you need to add it to the RHS also. Suppose if I do plus 2 here, I need to do plus 2 here also. Got it? Got it? Now you see whether the LHS is equal to RHS. This becomes 7, 7 plus 2, 9. And here also it is 9. Similarly, when you subtract any number, then any number to the LHS, you need to subtract it to the RHS also. Similarly, if you multiply any number to the LHS, you need to do it to the RHS also. Same is for division. If you divide any number, the LHS, you need to do it in the RHS also. Suppose if you don't do it, then what will happen? See, if you have only added 2 to the LHS and not to the RHS, then this LHS will become 8 minus 1, 7 plus 2 is 9. Or you can do 8 plus 2. That is, if we go to the follow the BODMAS rule, then addition, that is 8 plus 2, 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. And RHS will be 4 plus 3, 7. That means LHS is not equal to RHS. So there is no equality. Then this is not an equation. Got it? Therefore, if you are adding any number to the LHS, need to do it in RHS. Similarly, subtraction, multiplication and division. This is the 4 important aspects for an equation to solve. So, how to solve an equation we have done with the example try these? No try these. So directly we are starting exercise 4.2. Question number 1. Give the first step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. Means we have to give the first step what we are going to do, and then we have to solve the equation also. We are doing it in copy. Okay, question number 1 will go in copy. First step. This is it. X minus 1 is equal to 0. So we need to know the value of this variable, children. This variable. Okay. For this we need to remove this 1 from here. So if we add plus 1 here, okay, this 1 will be removed. Now if you are adding plus 1 here, you will have to add plus 1 here also. So what is the first step? Step 1 you can say adding 1 on both sides. Okay, short form, both sides. Okay, B slash S shows the short form of both sides. That means we have to add 1 on both sides. So let's do it. X minus 1 plus 1 and 0 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 will give us 0. So x plus 0 is equal to 1. That is x is equal to 1. So we have solved the equation also. That is we found the value of x, that is variable, which is equal to 1. This completes A. Now let's start B. X plus 1 is equal to 0. Here, what should be your step 1? We need to remove this constant from here. Got it? And it is plus 1. So, if we make it minus 1, means if we subtract 1 from here, what will happen? Plus 1 minus 1 will give us 0. Now, if we are subtracting 1 from here, that is from the LHS, हमको RHS से भी क्या करना पड़ेगा? minus 1. RHS में भी minus 1 करना पड़ेगा. So, what is your first step? Step 1, subtracting 1 from both sides. Another chalk. That means x plus 1 minus 1, 0 minus 1. X plus 1 minus 1 will give us 0. So x plus 0 is equal to, this will give us minus 1. So value of x is minus 1. This gives us B. We start C now. Starting with the C part. X minus 1 is equal to 5. Again, we need to remove this number from here. So it is minus 1. If we do plus 1, what will happen? Minus 1 plus 1 will give us 0. That means this will be removed. Now, if we are doing plus 1 here, that means we have to add plus 1 on the right hand side also. So, what is the first step? What is the first step? Adding 1 on both sides. So, x minus 1 plus 1 and 5 plus 1. This gives us 0. X plus 0 and 5 plus 1 is 6. So, x is equal to 6. Now, you must be thinking, ma'am, सीधा सीधा 0 लिख देती है, प्लस लगा के ये भी नहीं बताती कि ये प्लस होगा या माइनस होगा. 0 is always positive, children. If you see in the number line which we've already discussed, this is the 0, this side are the positive integers, and here the negative numbers. Yes, the negative integers. You can see 0 is only 1 and it is positive. That is why when we have to write 0, we write it with plus. That is a different thing if in question it is written minus 0. This completes C. Now we start with D. X plus 6 is equal to 2. X plus 6 is equal to 2. So what should be the first step according to you? 6 from both sides. So x plus 6 minus 6 and 2 minus 6. So x plus 0 and this 2 minus 6 is 4. Now which number is greater, 2 or 6? 6 is greater. 6 has negative sign. Yes. So answer will be negative. So x is equal to minus 4. Now we start with E. Y minus 4 is equal to minus 7. Now what we have to remove to get the value of y, that is the variable? We need to remove the number which is on the LHS, that is minus 4. So if we do plus 4 here, this becomes 0. So what is the step 1? Step 1, adding 4 on both sides. So y minus 4 plus 4 is equal to minus 7 plus 4. Now y, this becomes 0. 4 minus 4 gives us 0. Minus 7 plus 4 plus minus minus, that means we will have to subtract. 7 minus 4 gives us 3. Now we compare the numbers. 7, 4. Who is greater? 7 is greater. It is negative. So answer becomes negative. So the value of y is equal to 3. This completes E. Now we start F. Y minus 4 is equal to 4. So what should be the first step to y minus 4 is equal to 4? What is the first step to solve this equation? Is to remove this 4 from here. It is minus 4. So if we add plus 4 here and here, we will see that this becomes 0. So what is the first step? This is minus, so we will add plus 4. So adding 4 on both sides. So y minus 4 plus 4 and this is 4 plus 4. Y, this becomes 0 and this becomes 8. So y is equal to 8. This completes F. Now we start G. Y plus 4 is equal to 4. So what should be the first step to solve the equation? Is to remove the constant value which is in the LHS. And what is the constant value in the LHS? That is plus 4. So if we subtract 4 on both sides, what will happen? This will become 0. So what is the step 1? Subtracting 4 on both sides. Subtracting 4 on both sides. So y plus 4 minus 4 and 4 minus 4. So this gives 0. Y plus 0 and this also gives 0. So y is equal to 0. This completes G. Now we will start H. Is there any H? Y plus 4 is equal to minus 4. the constant value from the LHS. And what is the constant value in the LHS? That is plus 4. So if we make this 0, our first step will be to make this 0. Means if we make this 0, our question will be solved. We will get the value of the variable y. So this is plus 4. If we do minus 4, this becomes 0. So what is the step 1? Subtracting 4 from both sides. Here I have written on both sides. It can be on or from. No problem. Okay, whatever you want. From both sides. So equation becomes this. This becomes 0. And minus minus becomes plus. 4 plus 4 is 8. Answer will be negative because both are negative. So the value of y is 8. This completes H. So question number 1 is over. Rest part we will do tomorrow.